basics of biology. In the basics of biology, we understood about cell, components of cell, nucleus, nucleolus, chromosome, DNA, gene, then DNA structure, then DNA replication, protein synthesis. Again, I am repeating. So, the building block of the human body is cell, and the building block of cell is chromosome. The building block of chromosome is DNA. DNA is the structure. DNA is the structure. Gene is the function. Chromosome is the structure as well as function. So every gene, listen very carefully. Every gene will be having a function. Every gene will be having a function. What is the gene? A segment of DNA. The segment of DNA, the structure of one particular segment of DNA is called as gene, and that gene is having a function. So the gene will have a function like what? A skin color or a hair color or epicanthic fold or eyebrows, eyebrow hair. These all are because few people will not have eyebrows, hair, they will not have eyebrows. This is all because of genes. The genes will have the information to have eyebrows, or the genes will tell to not to have eyebrows. So according to the gene, there will be a function. In simple way, with a simple example, I will tell you now. So a gene will be having a function like skin color. So the gene is responsible for the skin color. The skin color is because of the gene. So gene is a segment of DNA. But the skin color is phenotype, which is visible. This is visible outside. The skin color is visible outside. The visible part is called as phenotype. And this skin color which is visible is called as phenotype, and this phenotype is because of genotype. Because of the gene, there is a phenotype. The phenotype can be a hair color, the phenotype can be a skin color, the phenotype can be a long nose or a short nose or a broad nose. So, the genotypes are responsible for phenotype. The gene structure is responsible for a phenotype. So, gene is nothing but a segment of DNA. So, a gene is responsible for skin color. Now, the skin color might be fair, dark, brown. So, in that functions also, there is no one uniform function. The functions might be variety, like a skin color like white or dark or brown. The variety of function is called as allele. The variety of function is called as allele. So, the gene is responsible for a function. The gene is responsible for a function, and that function is what? Skin color. That skin color can be dark or white or brown, it can be anything. That particular variety of function is called as allele. My eye is blue. My eye is dark. My eye is dark color, dark brown. So the gene is responsible for skin color. So which skin color, which eye color is got? Allele. ఏదైతే ఫంక్షన్ స్కిన్ కలర్ అనేది ఫంక్షన్, సో ఆ జీన్ వల్ల ఈ ఫంక్షన్ వచ్చింది. ఏ ఫంక్షన్ అనేది allele. That variety of function is called as allele. That functional specific is called as allele. This is what which you have to understand. So there are four concepts are there: chromosome, gene, DNA, allele. So we understood yesterday about the biologic basis of life, in which the components The cell we understood, the DNA structure we understood, replication we understood, protein synthesis we understood, gene we understood, chromosome we understood. Today I am going to discuss cell division. What is mutation? Mutation is nothing but the change in the DNA. ATCG should be there. In place of ATCG, it became ATTG. It should be ATCG, but it became ATTG. Means C became what now? T. That change, marpu, that alteration is called as mutation. In detail, mutation itself is a very big topic which is there in 9.3. So you no need to worry. So the same mutation in detail we will be discussing 9.3. Most of the topics will be repeating in physical anthropology. And now we will discuss about what? Cell division. So we understood about the cell, we understood about the components of cell, we understood about the DNA structure, we understood about the DNA replication, then we understood about protein synthesis, and today we will be discussing about cell division.